Here go the rabbit. Here go Tiff Pets Plus. This her rabbit. He wanted to get in the camera. He won't get in the cars yet though. He ain't ready for that. And his name is Thumper. Show him why we call you Thumper. Show him why we call you Thumper. Yeah, I got my Traxxas Sledge out. A little bit upgraded. Only thing I upgraded is in here. This is running on 8S now, but it's running the Traxxas 8S ESC factory motor. I'm running a hot racing spur gear with a 18-tooth pinion. It's the only upgrade, and I got a hex fly servo right there. So that's about it. Just want to test this out. Only running on 6S because I don't have room for 8S. Only can fit a 6S pack. I can't even fit 2 3S packs in there, but just want to see what I'm gonna get out of it, what kind of performance. Let's get into it. Yeah, first time rebashing on this system. Let's see how she do. Rocks popping all in my head. That was all the way over there. Grass is high. Grass is high right now, and let's go all the way over here. Yo, she is a rocket on it. Yeah, I could have made that too. Yo, this yeah, these I'm running Copperhead 2 tires on here. See if it can help it out, but it's really not. It's really this radio. Okay. Yeah, this thing is flying. This car kind of scared me to do a drive-by, because it sometimes get a little wiry. Oh, it's really low. I don't know why it's doing this thing. Okay. Oh, beast. Completely missed. Getting more and more lopsided now. This thing is a beast. You can tell it's on 8S now. If I could only put two 4S batteries in here, get the mini 4Ss, this thing would be off the charts. Like I can really line it up like this. Like I thought. Oh, I can't see from the side. Well, let's see, can I do a side wheelie? Not too much power. Peace. LVC. That was a nice little run though, I ain't gonna lie. Nice. Game over. And his name is Thumper.